Now, at least one local coach wants the ISSA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships to be held in May, as opposed to March, as it would give athletes more time to prepare. Denise Waters reports.
Just last week, ISSA's president Keith Wellington said that a date for the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships will soon be announced, with a March 23 to 27 date still on the table. However, principal of the GC Foster College for Sports and Physical Education, Maurice Wilson, says the alternate date from May 4 to 8 may be better for the athletes.
If the March was the date, then competition during the course of January would be needed. Since we're not having any competitions, I think that April and May would be a more appropriate date for championships.
He says the athletes need competition to keep them sharp and to give coaches a chance to assess their progress.
Yes, we have seen a delay, but we have to be cognizant of the fact that there's a very thin line between safety and making sure that our athletes are ready for a competition. When you look at some of the side effects of the coronavirus, it can affect a lot of persons who are involved in sports.
Meanwhile, Wilson also believes there needs to be greater adherence to the COVID-19 protocols.
We're appealing to the general public to exercise the correct attitude and behavior, follow the protocols in relation to this virus. Once we continue to create a breach, then it's going to take longer for us to get back to normal.
Under the new guidelines for the proposed reopening of sports announced by Prime Minister Andrew Holness recently, spectators will not be allowed at live events nor while athletes are training. Champs was cancelled last year due to COVID-19, and no track meet has been held since the start of the year because of the pandemic. Denise Waters for TVJ Sports.